Easy way to backup and restore Samsung Galaxy A22 contacts, chat, data, photo, SMS. Hello my dear friends. How are you today? I hope you are in the happiest condition and in good health. Today with you a new and very important video which is an easy way to backup and restore Samsung Galaxy A22 contacts, chat, data, photo, SMS. I hope you like it, but before watching the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can receive everything that is new and exciting. And now let's follow the explanation. Simple backup and restore Samsung Galaxy A22 to Samsung Cloud Server. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Open menu settings, account and backup, backup and restore. In some versions go to settings greater than. Cloud and accounts, backup and restore, backup data. In the Samsung account, please choose the option to backup data. If we are not logged in, we have to log in with the Samsung account username and password. Please choose to select all data to backup and then click the backup option. Wait until all data finishes backing up on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Steps to recover data from Samsung Cloud Backup Server. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Open menu settings, account and backup, backup and restore. In some versions go to settings greater than. Cloud and accounts, backup and restore, backup data. In the Samsung account, please choose the data recovery option. If we are not logged in, we have to log in with the Samsung account username and password. We will see the backup data and applications that we want to restore. Keep choosing the restore option. Some actions will ask to install. More Samsung Galaxy A22 backup procedures. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phonebook on Samsung Galaxy A22. Phonebook or phone contact is very important on Samsung Galaxy A22. We recommend to take care of this contact because when our phone has some problem, we cannot access that phone contact anymore. So we need to back up our phonebook to a secure location. Android by default has the ability to back up our contact to the Google Cloud Server automatically, and it will sync as long as we are logged into a Google account. We need to make sure that our phone is already signed in with our personal Google account. After logging in with Google username and password, this phone by default will automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server. So we will have two phonebook storages. One in Samsung Galaxy A22 and one in https://contacts.google.com. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. These steps will show if our Samsung Galaxy A22 is syncing with Google Cloud Server. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Open menu settings, account and backup, account greater than Google, or choose your Google email. And make sure you already have a Gmail account set up. If you need to add a Google Gmail account, tap Add Account. Please see your account details, and make sure that Sync account is turned on. How to backup phonebook or contact on Samsung Galaxy A22 manually to SD card. Besides having a backup in Google Cloud of our contact, we can also backup or export our contact or phonebook on Samsung Galaxy A22 using Export menu. In Contact List, turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Open Apps, Contacts. Choose all contacts to backup. Contacts, menu. Manage contacts, import or export contacts. Choose Export to Storage, SD card. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. Finish backup. Connect Samsung Galaxy A22 to memory card. How to backup and restore data on Samsung Galaxy A22. How to backup Samsung Galaxy A22 photo. It is also important to backup photos because with good camera quality on Samsung Galaxy A22 we will have many important photos or videos in our special moment. There are several options to back up our media such as photos, pictures or videos to several locations. And the easiest step is to back up our media to an external microSD memory card. But for this step, we need to prepare the microSD card first and insert it into the memory card slot of the Samsung Galaxy A22. Backup or copy to external memory card. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Open the home screen. Find File Manager, File Commander and launch it. Choose Internal Storage. We will see many folders. Press and hold on one folder to select. After selecting one folder, we will see the list below. Choose Select All in the menu below. Choose Copy or Move, but better use Copy to reduce lost files. Select Menu greater than SD card. Choose the new folder where we want to copy these files. Choose Paste. Please make sure manually in the microSD folder that all files are already copied. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Connect your Samsung Galaxy A22 to your computer using a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the Samsung Galaxy A22 memory card. Otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the phone screen, and choose Connect USB as media. If the computer is already able to read the data of the Samsung Galaxy A22 phone, use the Computer File Explorer to open the DCIM folders on the Samsung Galaxy A22. And copy all the folders or files to a specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is backed up, exported or copied without problem. Backup Samsung Galaxy A22 photos, videos to Google Photos. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos apps on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps. Setting, Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose the upload size to high quality. Make sure free storage space is still available on your Google account. By default, your photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when your Samsung Galaxy A22 is connected to Wi-Fi. How to format or soft reset Samsung Galaxy A22 to fix problems. Samsung Galaxy A22 Restore Process. Restore backup contact from Google account on Samsung Galaxy A22. If we reformat or hard reset Samsung Galaxy A22, all data will be removed or erased. So we need to restore all contacts to Samsung Galaxy A22. This is how to restore. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Go to Menu Settings, Account and Backup. Accounts. Add our Google or Gmail account. For the first time we can force sync contact to restore contacts from Google server to Samsung Galaxy A22. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from SD, micro SD card to Samsung Galaxy A22. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts, Import Contact. Choose Import from Storage, SD card. Choose where we saved our connection. Choose to import vCard file. Samsung Galaxy A22 Restore Google_Photos Backup. Restore backup photos and videos from Google Photos on Samsung Galaxy A22. Install Google Photos on your Samsung Galaxy A22. Choose Setting in Google Photos Apps. Setting, Backup and Sync, on. Sign in to your previous Google account for the Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when your Samsung Galaxy A22 is connected to Wi-Fi. And our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore SMS, text messages on Samsung Galaxy A22. There are some options to backup SMS, text messages from our phone. We recommend using and downloading the SMS Backup and Restore apps from the Google Play Store. We can backup all SMS conversations to phone memory, internal or external memory, or use cloud storage such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Please follow these steps to download SMS Backup and Restore from the Google Play Store. From the menu inside these apps, please choose Backup Now. Choose what you want to backup in our text message. Choose a backup location. We suggest using Google Drive as long as we already have a Gmail account to sign into. We can also choose some other options for backup location like Dropbox or internal, external phone memory. We can choose to backup only once or every specified time. Restore SMS, text messages on Samsung Galaxy A22. These steps can only work if we follow above steps to backup SMS, text messages using SMS Backup and Restore app from Google Play Store. Open SMS Backup and Restore app and select Restore from the menu. Choose where to backup before, local phone memory, Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose to sign in or search for backup files from our phone. Choose what we want to restore from the backup files, messages or phone calls. Choose the Restore button. How to backup and restore WhatsApp chat on Samsung Galaxy A22. WhatsApp is the famous chatting applications. We will have many chat history inside Samsung Galaxy A22 memory. We will give simple steps to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history including videos, images. With simple steps. Please follow this link to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history and media on Samsung Galaxy A22. At the end of the video, I thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. And see you in a new video.